Hello there friends, and welcome to another video about how to create a WordPress theme from scratch. And in this video we will take care of the footer, the whole thing here, and add menus and other cool stuff to it. So let's do the backend on in this video. So first I would like to have I would actually like to create a menu for the footer. So if we go to the back end, and here's the footer at the moment, so there's basically nothing here. We can actually remove that, this whole thing here, the h1 tag. Let's save that, and then let's go to the menus.php, and we already have a menu for the header up here. So here, let's just add another menu, and I'm going to call it footer underscore services underscore navbar, and let's call it maybe CIY footer navbar, and that's that. And now we can head back into our back end, and in appearance we can go to menus, and we got another menu here. So what I'm going to do is just going to add create a new menu. So let's create a menu. Let's call it footer menu, create menu. Okay, and then let's pick CIY footer navbar, hit save. Okay, all right, so now we can add some stuff here. So what I'm gonna add is just a few pages for now. Let's do about probably need a contact and maybe terms and conditions, something like that. We can add later on as well. So let's save that, and now let's add that to the front end. So let's go back to our footer.php, and in here I am going to create a div with the class of footer nav, like this. And in here, let's open up the PHP tags and then close them as well. And I'm going to add the vp underscore nav underscore menu, and then open up an array. And in here is the theme location, and the theme location for this one is we go back to our menus.php, this one here, footer services navbar. Let's copy and paste right there, and that's about it. Let's semicolon at the end, and let's save that. Let's head back to our front end, and let's refresh, and then we should be able to hopefully see some kind of menu here. All right, so we got the menu down here, contact and about terms and conditions. So that's pretty good. Now let's add the rest of the menu. So I want a social icons section in here. So I'm just going to do another div with a class of footer underscore social, and in here let's do an h2 tag with a class, not a class, let's call it social media, like this. And then let's do a couple of a tags. So let's do I need 4. I think 4 icons is fine here. All right, so a 4, and actually just do 4 like this. All right, we got 4 a tags. For now, I'm just going to put something simple here. So let's do Facebook right there. And then next one maybe Twitter, and then we need something maybe Pinterest. And then last one, let's do Instagram. Would be good to have if you're an agency it's doing designs and stuff. All right, and the last thing is maybe the logo. So I'm going to do another div with a class of footer underscore logo, and in here another a tag, and we already have the we made the logo in our customizer. We go to customizer, we should have the logo somewhere down here. All right, so the logo, so we can use the exact same thing here. All right, so for the site logo, I think we are going to have to use this setting ID here. So let's just copy that for now. Let's go back to our footer.php, and in here let's open up a PHP tag for our href. All right, and we want the logo to go to our home page. So let's echo, and then escape underscore URL, then the home underscore URL, and then that's the backslash like this, and then like so, semicolon at the end, and then in the actual a tag, well actually let's open up an image tag as well, because we need to get in the logo. So let's do image like this, and source like this, and in here let's do an echo. Let's first open up our PHP tags, obviously, then echo get underscore theme underscore mod, and then we need a site logo, so let's paste that in, and then we need the obviously we need the default here, so let's do get underscore template underscore directory underscore URI, and then append it with the actual location of it, so it's in our backslash image folder, and the name of that is logo.png, and then semicolon at the end. Let's make so you can see it in one without having to scroll. All right, so you can see that, and the image for the logo is logo.png right there. All right, so let's save this. Let's go back to our backend. Let's refresh, see what we got. So now we should have right, the social media, and the logo is huge here, so we haven't styled it yet. So that's what we're gonna take care of in the next video. Well, let's complete all this cool stuff here in the back end. So for now, let's go back into our file structure, and let's add the I want to add the functionalities for the footer in the customizer. So I want another section here for the actual footer. So in order to do that, we have to go to the customizer.php, like so. Yeah, close this one here. All right, so we're going to do here under our logo, we're going to add a new section and call it footer section, and down here just to do the normal thing, so we have to add a new section. So let's do vp underscore customize and add underscore section, and in here we can call this one footer section, make it simple. All right, and after that let's get an array. All right, so the first one we need here is a title, and the title should be footer, and then we need to paste in the text domain up here, and the text domain is one package. All right, let's paste that in, and then a comma, because we need a description. Description. And in this description, we are going to add our little description there. So maybe set up our footer. Set up your footer like so. And after that, we need a priority. And like so. And here, let's do. We have 230 for logo, so let's do 240 for the footer. All right, so that's that for the section. Let's scroll up. Now let's we need to add a setting and a control for this one as well. All right, so let's add a first setting. So VP underscore customize, and we need to add a setting. And in here, let's call it social media links. So media links, and then an empty, oh, not empty, but then an array. And the default for this one here should be, let's see, we need to add font awesome. I want to use font awesome for all these here. So let's take a look at our enq file. So we have enq.php. All right, so you can see here I added font awesome in the previous video. So let's head over to font awesome and find the links. So it's going to add a new, oops, and then we got fontawesome.com like so. And now there we go, and then we got the icons right here. All right, so the first one we need is for Facebook, if I'm not mistaken. All right, there we go, and let's search for Facebook, and let's use this one, full square. Well, what happened here? Facebook. Okay, here we go, and let's copy. All right, so we got the Facebook. Let's copy this one here, and let's go back here to our customizer. Can close the enq file here, and yeah, the default. You can just copy and paste here. All right, and then the text domain. All right, the default, we need the text domain there. Copy this. So, all right, okay, and then we need a type, and it should be thememod. Okay, and then semicolon there. Now let's add the controller. VP underscore customize and add control. Okay, and in this here we need a new VP underscore customize control, and then we'll take in the VP customize as a parameter from mice, and then the settings ID, social media links, paste it in there. And now let's open up an array, and in here we need a label like so, and then for the label we just gonna do social media links, links, then the text domain. Let's copy that and paste it in, comma. Then we also need description. and then we need printf, and in here just say pick a social media icon, and then need a section. Then it's going to be the footer section, which is this one up here. All right, and after that we need a priority. And priority should be 1. This is the first one there. And the type is going to be we need to select here 1. It's going to be a few options, and so we do a select, comma, and then the choices we have to choose from. An array like this. All right, so the default again should be this one here. Look for the Facebook icon. All right, and then comma, and then need a Facebook icon to want to pick that again. Let's say you pick another option and want to go back there. So let's also add icons for the other ones. So the next one is Twitter. Let's go back here and search Twitter. All right, so let's do the square right here, and same here. We need to copy the HTML code. All right, copy that. Then just paste it in. All right, and then we need for Instagram. Let's search Instagram. Let's do the square, that one there as well. Copy that, and let's paste it in, and then let's do also Pinterest. Let's do Pinterest. Let's do the square, and okay, and then copy that one. Go back here and paste it in, and then semicolon at the end. And let's save this. See what we got. Okay, and wait for the back end here. Let's refresh. Function sprint. Oh, sprint. Should be sprint F. Right. Let's refresh. All right. Now we got the footer, and nothing showing here. Let's see what's up. Let's select. Control. New PVP. Customize social media links. Get the label. Oh, actually, yes. We need this one here. Let's write in Facebook, and actually we don't need a comma there as well. Comma, and there was Twitter. And here Instagram, and same there. Let's do those Pinterest, and that's that. And I guess for the default we could do this as well. Default is Facebook. Let's save that. Default. Oh, okay. Actually, what we need here is let's remove this. So let's save that. See if that works. Let's refresh one more time. Footer. All right, now we got. All right, so default's Facebook. We had double that. All right. that's that. Yeah, we need that one. Okay, cool. Let's leave it for now. Now we need to add a URL for this one here. So let's jump down here and add another setting. So VP underscore customize, add underscore setting, and this should be the social media URL for one. So let's do social media URL one, and first one, let's scroll up. What we're gonna do is default, and since our first one is for Facebook in our theme, I'm just gonna do HTTP, just a simple URL to the Facebook main page. All right, and then just copy and paste the text domain like so. Paste it in, and after default value we need type, and then we got theme underscore mod. Okay, and then let's add the control for this one. So VP underscore customize, and add control. All right, so let's copy and paste this. The settings ID, and down here, the first thing we need is a description. Like so, and in the description we going to put in maybe your social media URL. Okay, and then the text domain like this, and then after that let's add the section. The section is the footer section. Like this, and then under section we have priority. Priority is 2 for this one here. Okay, now let's do semicolon at the end. Let's save that and let's update. Let's see, customizer 166 default. Let's see, customer add setting. We need a stack. All right, now let's see. Okay, so you got the URL. All right, so we need the same thing here for our next icon. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy and paste. So we're going to copy and paste all the way here. So we need the first setting and the first controller for the icon. So right under the section, just copy and paste. We'll just copy all that, and then let's go down here and paste it in. If I would have actually copied it. All right. Okay, so Control C, and let's head down there and paste it in. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we need for number 2, just gonna add social media links underscore 2, and in here we need the we're gonna do Twitter, and let's change. Oh no, wait. Okay, so we're just gonna do Twitter, No, I'm way out of line here. So okay, oh, go back into it. All right, yes, let's copy and paste in for Twitter right here. Okay, so all right, the amount is the same and control is the same. Social media links, yes, we can do that. Pick a social media icon. Uh, all right, control social media 1. Okay, links 2, and then here we need to change that to 2. The type is select. Then here is needed for Twitter, and all these can be the same. It doesn't really matter. All right, and then for social media URL, we need that for 2, and in here we need Twitter. Same, yes, the same, but let's change it to 3. Let's save and let's go back here and update. All right, so we got the social media URL. Let's see. I saved. Oh, so I changed this as well. And now let's take a look. Still nothing. Let's see. What did I forget? Social media links right there. 2. All right, now we go. Okay, so we got all here. All right, now let's add the other ones as well. So we need one for Instagram. So let's copy and paste these 4 here. Let's jump down. Okay, and up here, let's add that to 3. And instead of Twitter, we are going to use the Instagram. Right here. Paste it in the same, and now this time let's don't forget to change it here to 3, and this is the same. Up here we need to change it to 4. Get type select, and here should be Instagram. And for the social media, change to 3. Here we need to change this to Instagram. I'm going to change that. And here let's change that to 5. Okay, and let's paste in one more time. Let's copy and paste this 4. All right, and paste it in. Okay, right. And then here we need obviously number 4, and up there let's change that to Pinterest. And paste it in. Oh boy. Okay, comma right there, and that's that. And then let's change this to 4. Nice. Then priority is 6. And here I'll just change to Pinterest, and change here to 4. And let's change that to Pinterest. Then 4 and 7. Okay, that should be good. All right, let's go back to front end and let's refresh. All right, so we got Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Nice. All right, so what we need to do now is we need to go to the backend. Just as of now, if we go here and refresh, nothing has changed. So we need to change this. All right, so let's add those whole things. So let's go back to our footer.php, and here on our footer social div, let's do the necessary changes. So here, instead of an href with a hash, let's open up our PHP tags. All right, and here let's echo get underscore theme underscore mod, and here we need a social media URL 1. So we go back here, and let's scroll all the way up to social media URL 1. Let's copy and paste this, and so now let's do a comma, and for the default just do a hash mark there, and then semicolon at the end. Oops, actually I need to do that in here. Okay, and then semicolon. Okay, and then instead of writing out Facebook, let's put some PHP tags and bring in the icon. So we need to echo get underscore theme underscore mod, and here we need the social media links. Actually, let's just copy and paste. Always better to copy and paste, and you don't have to worry about any spelling errors and so on. Social media links, and then let's do that. And then for the default value, let's go back here and let's just copy the whole Facebook tag right there, and that's wrong. Let's go to footer. Let's paste that in, and semicolon at the end. Do this. All right, let's hit save. Let's refresh. So we got everything correct. So you can see the Facebook logo right there. All right, so let's do the same here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this 3 times. So a good way to do it in VS Code is if you hold down Control Shift and press a D. So you copy the line, go down 1 line and copy it, like so. So that's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So now all we need to do is just change the values here. So this was 2, this one's 3, this one's 4, and same here. We need to add actually 2, and I'm gonna add 3, I'm gonna add 4. All right, and now let's do the let's just copy and paste the default value. So the next one that was Twitter. So let's change that to Twitter, and then copy and paste that to let's see. Yes, we need. Oh wait, it went all the way down over here. There's that. Insert one. Last one is Pinterest. So let's do that. It's Control C, and then let's paste that in here. Now let's hit save, and we'll go back to our front end. Let's refresh. All right, so we got all the icons there. So now just remove these 3 guys over here, like so, all the way there. All right, now let's save it. Back to our front end, refresh. Now you get all the icons. All right, so that's how to add the things you want in the footer. So in the next video, we're gonna style all this. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.